Wind 5 to 10 knots with gusts to 20 knots. Waves 2 feet. Numerous showers. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Thursday, northwest wind 5 to 10 knots with gusts to 20 knots. Waves 2 feet. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Fool Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay. Pasco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 5:15 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., developing thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 14 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park to 12 nautical miles west of Annapolis to 8 nautical miles west of Deal, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, floaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Kent Narrows Bridge, York Point State Park, Magazine River, Eastern Bay, Loncombe Point, Pools Island, Greenberry Point, Highland Beach, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Butler Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Hardmiller Island, Gibson Island, and Bonfim Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 5:45 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., showers with gusty winds were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northeast of St. Clements Bay to near Colonial Beach, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Yokosuka River, Breton Bay, St. Clements Bay, Westmoreland State Park, mouth of the Potomac River, Cobb Island, Point Lookout, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Namini Bay, Matthias Point, Coles Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, St. George Island, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, Pope's Creek, Tall Timbers, Piney Point, and Colonial Beach. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station KHB36, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.550 MHz from an antenna located in Manassas, Virginia. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 5:45 p.m. 3:38 p.m., showers with gusty